Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating Espoo bus line 214A, which is a combination of lines 214 and 215. There is very little to build in this video. It's more about creating the line. And we will once again start from the Leppävaara railway station here. Let's stop there and let's stop there. Then we will stop at Gransimäki and then at Kilonkartano. Well, let's stop here at Leppäsilta, 2 this time. And then at Pääskyskuja and at Leppälinnunrinne. Then at Poutahaukan polku, at Karakallion kuja, at Karakallion keskus and Karakallion tie. Then we follow the route of 214, or well, we have followed the route of 214 all the time, but we will stop at Rastasniityntie, at Parrukuja, at Olkiniitty and Vanha Rastaalantie. Then we will stop at Äraportti, but then what is different from the previous, or the line 214? We will make a right turn in here and start following line 215. Whoa! Let's just move those a bit and these a bit because this turn will be very tight. We will turn from here to, oops, no, please, it looked so good in the beginning. Wait, there, oops. Oops. That is, it cannot be this difficult. Why? Please, why? Well, it seems it's gonna be a long video because I cannot make this turn right. The game simply doesn't understand what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to make a normal right turn, thank you. Okay, once more. Stop from here. Oh, yes. Oh, too tight. Well, let me see. There we go. Much better. So, then we'll go on with the road from here. Oops, what is that? For one reason or another, this game is now acting completely crazy. Then let's see if there is a stop in there or not. I don't think there is a stop on this new stretch, but let's check it anyway. Nope, there is no stop in there. So let's just go on and then turn left to this road. There we go. And add some signals before the crossing and after the crossing. And there we go, and there we go, and there we go, and there we go, and there we go. So let's build this new blueprint here and go back to lines. So after Äraportti, it stops at Luuvantie. It's suddenly running line 215. Then it stops at Snellbacka, at Jupperimetsa, and then it stops at, well, it stops at Jupperinnympyrä in here because it then goes on straight back to the line of 214 and it goes on to, no, don't cross those lines, god damn it! Idiotic thing. There we go. And there we go. It then goes back here. So it stops at Kaivoskuja. It stops at Rinnetie. And it stops at Jupperin. Oh shit. Well, okay. This causes me an issue. Let's not make it one, because then it stops in there. And then it goes back to line of 215 and stops there. And actually it follows line 215 until the end. So it merges these two lines. So there is no need for a transfer, but now I cannot run this bus all the way back to the stop at whatever the stop was made, Jupperinauke, because I built it as a one-way stop. So I'll just have to skip that one stop there and then behave like it wouldn't exist. And then we go back to this Karakallio loop in here and there and there, and that's it. We're pretty close to the finish line already. And as you can see, this hasn't been a very long video. So we stop in there and stop in there, and we're there. So let's see how often this line runs. It's an evening line, which probably explains it, and it runs around every 20 minutes. At its quickest. So we're opening the line and then we're gonna buy some buses. Was there an issue with the line actually? Nope. Good. So 214A is the line. 214A. There. And it runs every 20 minutes, but it's long line, so we're gonna do a couple of these. There we go. Roads built, lines created, buses bought, everything up and running, and as usual there will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!